Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a crafting weekend. Today, that is the beauty. That's the free printable that you guys going to receive. And this page here is been designed from one of this month VIP lounge paper subscription. So if you guys are new to this, my VIP lounge is a subscription that I offer on my website, and I'll show you everything in detail first. So let me show you the papers of November subscription first. So this is probably one of my favorite months of the VIP subscription for this year for different reasons, because I think this month you get quite a lot of your money. So the first digital paper is called Christmas Background, and then it's this one here. So I have created, and I'm going to do a videos the next couple of weeks showcasing how to use this. So this is a collection of Christmas styles. As you can see, they measure, I can tell you, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 roughly. So there should be squares. And the idea, the concept behind these papers is to make Christmas cards. Okay, so they're very similar, but each one of the square is different. Okay, and I'll show you how to make Christmas cards out of them, because they're so cute and they're very, very easy to make. So Christmas Background, the pack number 2, which is, I've got a similar version for everybody to purchase on my website. It's called Painted Flowers. And the ideas around these digital papers, it's basically, as the title says, painted flowers. So the color palette is the same. So I'll show you in just a minute. So if I put the pages like this, so you can see all the 4 pages, the background matches. So there is a bit turquoise, a bit green, and a bit pink. Okay, so this is one page. This another one. Number 3. And number 4. So they look like painted portrait. And this is a fabulous background. You can either use it as a wrapping paper, because I absolutely adore floral papers. The papers number 3, it's called Autumn in the Field. So this is your autumnal pages. So you get one page that looks like a page for your journal. You just simply need to fussy cut it. You get a page with an envelope, a scallop envelope, and 2 size envelopes. You get some journal pockets and tags. So you get 2 square tags with a crown and 2 on the bottom there. And then you got a really nice tag and a couple of flags that you can either put, like, you can either make hidden paper clips. And then the last page, which is my favorite one, it's 4 gorgeous tags. I absolutely love these tags. So this paper complement what I've got on the website for everybody else to use, but I love these tags. I hope you guys will like them too. So that's the 3 paper packs. So you get Autumn in the Field, I got any on the bottom, Painted Flowers, and Christmas Background. It's not over yet, because for this month I'm giving it as a complimentary gift a small selection, and it's called Christmas Extravaganza. Yeah, so it's a complimentary paper packs that you can use to do anything that you want. This page here, it's with the nativity, so you can literally leave it as it is and frame it if you want, or you can fussy cut each element to create your own nativity scene. The second page is 2 backgrounds, with one with a gingerbread house and one with a track with a Christmas gift. Now this you can fold in half and create your journal, or you can cut them and use them as cards bases, or you can either do like a gift box or gift bags. It's completely up to you. And then another page with another track with a tree and loads of presents, and then a lovely deer. Oh, look at him, he's so cute, so cute. And then, as you guys know, each month you get a letter gift box. So this month is letter G. So you get an assembly instruction page, a page with the actual letter, which is this one here, that you print on cardstock. So that's the front. And then you get a G, the G for the back. And then because I didn't want to waste the page, so I designed this background. So let me tell you the story behind this. A lovely Christine Skinner. Christine is a member of a VIP lounge subscription, has requested for the letter G to be the unicorn because her granddaughter is called Georgia, so she's going to put a letter G for her, because I've asked every month if my VIP members have any request from the letter. So the letter G is for Christine, so I've designed this unicorn's background. So for the letter G is with a turquoise and then just a spare page here, and also they get an additional page with the full unicorn background on white. So yeah, this month you get loads and loads for your money. So just to recap, you get full background, a letter G gift box, the assembly. There is also a private video that I have filmed that only my VIP members get to show you how to put it together. And when you put it together, it looks like this. So this is the letter G. It looks complicated, but honestly guys, it's very easy to put it together, because you get this sort of like sheet and then you got a private video. So let me get you all the letters that we've done so far. So we got letter A. I've got all in here. Let me show you one by one. A, and then we got B. We got C somewhere. Oh, that's it. That's the letter C. We got letter D. We got letter E with a graffiti. I know you guys love this. It's one of my favorite as well. Letter F. And now letter G. So as you can see, each gift box is very different because I want to create an alphabet of very different letters and with different color scheme and such. So yeah, fabulous, very fun. Okay, so you see the paper packs that you will receive if you join this month. As usual guys, the freebie gets two ways. You can subscribe to my newsletter, and I will put here on the screen what the newsletter looks like. It's an email that I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. And as you can see, there is a recap of the week, the videos of the week, papers of the week, and also there is a cheeky discount code in every email. Just a little treat from me to say thank you to every single one of you. If you not already got this from the newsletter, you can still have time, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter will gone out. You can get all my freebies on my Facebook group. It's a fabulous platform when I put all my freebies together in alphabetical order, in date order. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, Have fun and happy crafting. Before we go, big shout out to the lovely Tamara. Tamara is a member of my VIP Lounge subscription. I will put Tamara's comment on the screen now. Thank you, Tamara, for sticking up with me for a very long time. Thank you to all my new VIP members that have joined in October. Thank you, guys. Your support is much appreciated. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a fabulous weekend. And until Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah.